I'd really moved on from my playing days very, very quickly. I know it's a big problem for players when they do retire and they stop playing. They struggle, but I found it okay. Part of my job was to hit people, and people were hitting me. Obviously, when I was a manager, I didn't want to be hitting anybody. I was very tempted a few times. I suppose that temper was still there. It was still there. I hadn't lost it. But I just knew I was now managing people, and I was an important figure of the football club, so I couldn't be coming in every day ranting and raving at players and giving out to them and threatening. That wasn't part of the course, obviously. So again, I think I found that pretty easily. There was times in the dressing room, of course, I would lose my temper. I remember the Wolves game, particularly at half-time. Our first half performance wasn't good enough. I think I asked Cookie the kit man to put the tactics board up, and I think I'd done a pretty decent Bruce Lee impression by doing a kind of karate kick. I don't know if it helped the players, but it helped me.